In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a line chart in Google Sheets. If you want to visually represent trends over time or showcase some numerical data, line charts are incredibly useful. Let's get started and walk through the entire process together. Before jumping into creating the chart, the first and foremost step is to prepare your data. Imagine you have a simple data set with two primary columns. One represents the date and the other shows sales figures. For instance, your data might look something like this. In the first column, you have the dates listed chronologically, maybe January 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. Aligning next to these dates in the second column, you've listed your sales numbers like 100, 150, and 120, respectively. The key thing to remember here is that the first column, which in this case is the date, will serve as your x-axis, representing the passage of time or categories. Meanwhile, the second column, which consists of your sales numbers, will provide the values your line chart will plot. Once your data is neatly arranged, it's time to select it. To do this, simply click and drag your mouse over both columns to highlight them. Make sure you include the headers, as these will help Google Sheets to automatically identify and label the axes in your chart. Now that your data is selected, it's time for the fun part. Insert this into a chart. Navigate to the top menu of Google Sheets, click on Insert, and then choose Chart from the drop-down menu. At this point, Google Sheets steps in with its helpful automation and creates a default chart for you. But we're here to make a line chart, so we're going to make a few quick adjustments to reach our goal. Over on the right side of your screen, you should see the chart editor appear. If not, don't worry. Just make sure your chart is selected and it should pop up right away. This chart editor is your go-to tool for customizing your chart. In the editor, you'll start in the Setup tab, which is your starting point for choosing the type of chart you want to create. Click where it says Chart Type, and a drop-down menu will present you with all kinds of options. From here, you want to select Line Chart. Google Sheets will swiftly update your chart to display your data as a line chart, showing how your sales figures fluctuate over the specified dates. And there you have it, your very own line chart in Google Sheets. You can now further tweak the design or the data range if needed, but the fundamental steps are complete. Follow these instructions and you'll be charting like a pro in no time at all. Thanks for watching.